Mario and Luigi Paper Jam. Available now for Nintendo 3DS. Rated E for everyone. Proud sponsor of the 2016 Kids' Choice Awards.
4 things you... Hello, Skull! Let's try this again!
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cloudianapolis Metro Animal Control. An animal control emergency has been declared for Cloudstone and Raven Rock counties in southern Stormyland. Local authorities have reported an escalated incident at Baldy Schoolhouse Summer Camp involving a visiting mobile petting zoo. A containment failure has resulted in the escape of multiple animals into the surrounding area. Animal control officials confirmed that several domesticated animals and at least one large exotic snake are unaccounted for and freely roaming near campgrounds and adjacent residential areas. Residents and camp visitors in Cloudstone and Raven Rock counties are strongly advised to remain indoors and secure all exterior doors and windows. Bring domestic pets inside immediately. Do not attempt to approach, corner, or capture any escaped livestock or reptiles. If you observe any uncontained animals, do not engage. Contact local law enforcement or animal control immediately. Monitor local radio and television for further official updates.
Who gets drenched in green in the ultimate slime soakers? Dad.
There's my smile.
The Happy Meal with fresh, delicious California-grown cuties, only at McDonald's.
Can a toothpaste do everything well?
This clean was like, pow.
It added this other level of clean to it.
It just kind of like wiped everything clean.
6 times cleaning.
My teeth are...
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cloudianapolis Metropolitan Police Department in conjunction with the Stormyland Wildlife Enforcement Division. Law enforcement officers are issuing an urgent update regarding the ongoing animal control incident that originated at Baldy's Schoolhouse Summer Camp. Deputies and animal control officers are actively responding to multiple reports throughout the area. The exotic snake remains at large and continues to cause significant disruption across local communities. Authorities are asking all residents in Cloudstone and Raven Rock counties to remain vigilant and be on the lookout for several other missing animals, specifically a porcupine, a large lizard, and a kangaroo. All of these animals are wearing bright yellow identification tags that read Cloudianapolis Petting Zoo. Officers stress that while these animals are used to human contact, they may be frightened, agitated, or act unpredictably due to the commotion. We ask that everyone please leave the capture efforts to trained professionals. Do not approach, corner, or attempt to feed any of these animals. Keep your pets secured inside. If you spot the snake, porcupine, lizard, kangaroo, or any other tagged animal, do not engage. Report the exact location immediately to local law enforcement or 911.
Disney Princess. It's Colors of the Sea, Ariel. She lights up with color when she touches the water. Spy Squad, activate.
When a girl plays with Barbie,
She imagines everything she can become.
Barbie Spy Squad dolls, each sold separately.
You can be anything.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cloudianapolis Metropolitan Police Department. Situational updates confirm that several of the escaped animals from the petting zoo incident have become aggressive and agitated, posing an immediate safety hazard to the general public near Baldy Schoolhouse Summer Camp and neighboring residential areas. Camp administration at Baldy Schoolhouse is advised to immediately enact crisis pickup protocols for camp dismissal. Parents and guardians, camp dismissal will still take place at the normal scheduled time. However, all pickup traffic must follow the revised access route via Route 9 North to avoid closed sectors along Main Camp Road. Do not attempt to enter via standard routes. All residents in southern Cloudstone and northern Raven Rock County should remain indoors with doors and windows locked. Avoid all non-essential travel in the vicinity of the campgrounds. If an aggressive animal approaches your property or vehicle, retreat indoors immediately, and do not confront the animal. Report all sightings to 911 or local law enforcement. Animal control officers, law enforcement personnel, and wildlife specialists remain actively engaged in search and containment operations. Additional information will be provided as conditions change.
Luigi and Paper only on Nintendo 3DS, rated E for everyone.
What? Get ready for T-Blast from TMNT.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cloudianapolis Metropolitan Police Department. At 2:55 p.m. Eastern Time, law enforcement officers on scene at Baldy Schoolhouse Summer Camp reported a secondary disturbance. Camp Director Baldy has become highly agitated, unpredictable, and extremely energized, causing severe disruptions to ongoing camp dismissal and animal recovery operations. Reports indicate Mr. Baldy is rapidly patrolling the campgrounds and adjoining sectors while brandishing a heavy wooden ruler, aggressively attempting to enforce impromptu discipline and mathematical lessons on both responding emergency personnel and escaped animals. This unexpected activity has disrupted local traffic flow and caused further panic, frightening several uncontained animals across Route 9 North and breaking established control perimeters. All parents arriving for camp pickup must stay inside their vehicles with windows rolled up and doors locked. Do not engage with Mr. Baldy, do not respond to any inquiries, and do not exit your vehicle under any circumstances. Law enforcement officers are working to de-escalate the disturbance and restore order to the pickup route. Avoid Route 9 North and Main Camp Road until further notice.
And nurse their young. James left in search of his next adventure.
I would like you to meet the father of juicing, Jay Cordage.
Yep.
Hey, Jay.
Well,
you have a lot of...
Urgent safety message for the following counties in Stormyland, Cloudstone and Raven Rock. The National Cloud D Service in Cloudianapolis has issued a fire warning for southeastern Cloudstone County and southern Stormyland, extreme northeastern Raven Rock County and southern Stormyland until 5:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, emergency management reported a fast-spreading bush fire originating from an ignition incident in southeastern Cloudstone County. Reports indicate the fire was sparked when an experimental prototype electronic ruler was thrown at unnatural speeds from Mr. Baldy, detonating upon impact with dry brush. Hazard, fast-spreading wildfire with extreme fire behavior and dense smoke. Source, law enforcement. Impact, the fire is spreading rapidly to the southeast. Critical threat to life, property, and outdoor structures. Heavy smoke will reduce visibility to near zero along secondary roads. Locations impacted include Buffwood, Rosemont, and Conning Heights. Personnel and residents in the path of this fire should evacuate immediately. If you feel threatened, do not wait for an official evacuation order to leave the area. Use extreme caution when driving. Heavy smoke reduces visibility, and escaped animals remain active on or near area roadways. Heed all directives from local law enforcement and emergency responders.
pineapple. I always use pineapple because there's some enzyme.
For fastest service, go online and order at jcordich.com or call the toll-free number on your screen. When you order, you'll receive a free copy of Jay's new book, Live Foods, Live Bodies, plus the CD, How to Live to Be 100, revealing all of Jay's longevity and health secrets.
Partial all clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Cloudy-Annapolis Metropolitan Police Department. An administrative update has been issued for Cloudston and Raven Rock counties in southern Stormyland regarding the incidents at Baldy Schoolhouse Summer Camp. Fire officials confirm that the bushfire in southeastern Cloudstone County and extreme northeastern Raven Rock County has been fully contained and extinguished before spreading out of control. All fire warnings for the area have been cancelled. Law enforcement reports that Camp Director Baldy has been peacefully de-escalated by emergency personnel and safely escorted to a local calming facility without further incident. Animal control and law enforcement teams have successfully recaptured and secured the majority of the escaped petting zoo animals. However, a search alert remains active for a few animals that remain unaccounted for. Residents are asked to remain vigilant and promptly report any sightings of tagged animals to local law enforcement or animal control. Do not attempt to approach or contain any remaining missing animals yourself. This concludes the activation of the emergency alert system. Further updates will be broadcast if needed.
In the liquid form.
Okay.
Now take a good look at this.
Okay, what are you using for your green juice?
Here's a very difficult thing to juice.
Okay.
Parsley.
Yeah.
Speechify Craig says to like and sub to Cloudy Soft Corporation WX.